Give it up for the wonderful Khurana brothers, ladies and gentlemen, Ayushmann and Apar Shakti. That was amazing, by the way. Great video to
Thank you so
start
much.
with. And मैं जानती हूँ कि आपके साथ-साथ I want to invite your crew as well. So could I please have your sexy chorni, if I may call you that, darling. Come on, join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Aisha Sharma. Give her a big hand. Hi, babe. Come, you can stand right here. And of course, could I please call upon Apar Shakti to also join us? Thank you, Apar. All right, Dada, can I please request you also to join us? Ladies and gentlemen,
Pradeep Sarkar, the
please
man
put your
behind this
hands
video.
together. And we give you Team Ikvari, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, you can take a couple of pictures and then we start our Q&A. But I have a couple of questions to start this session with. पहला सवाल दादा आपके लिए मैं पूछना चाहूँगी आपसे. Could I please hand him a mic, Aisha? Thank you. Oh, you have your own. Thanks. Great. आपने हमें बहुत अच्छी फिल्में दी हैं. And this is an understatement. But अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, उम्र आपकी बता दूं चलेगा? डांटोगे तो नहीं ना? 25 साल. तो 25 साल की उम्र में दादा आप मुझे बताएं, what motivated you to direct a music video?
That attracts me anyway. Plus, Ayushmann tha, auntie thi. But नहीं, गाना is fantastic, you know. पहले तो समझने में थोड़ा दिन लगा. फिर दिन में मैंने understood the voice. Fantastic, very nice, nicely written. And I think it'll stay because Ashiki is also going into it. It's beautiful.
So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Pradeep Sarkar once again. That was pretty simple, the reasons, to be honest, not too complicated. आपका मन किया और आपने direct कर दिया. Thank you so much for
That's
that.
why I work.
We know this, we know this. All right, Aisha, a question for you now. बहुत बड़े launches जो हैं हुए हैं T-Series के music videos के साथ. All right? And you've debuted with a music video. How does that make you feel?
Absolutely ecstatic to be debuting with a video that's been done by T-Series. And I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity because I've been directed by the legendary Pradeep Da. And I don't think it gets better than that. The song sung beautifully by Ayushmann. I think I couldn't have asked for anything more. All the boxes have been ticked. That's all I can say.
And you look great. Congratulations on a
Thank
great
you.
debut.
Thank you
All
so
right, we're going to hand over the mic to Ayushmann. Hi, Ayushmann. Thank you so much. Quick question, simple question. You can answer this like nobody. Ashiki, okay, Bhushan ji ki Ashiki. यहाँ पर कैसे छिड़ी आपने?
In fact, this is the first time I'm rehashing the song. This is the first time I'm working on a remixed kind of a song. And that's kind of new for me because normally my songs are not very commercial. I believe that because Mitti Di Khushboo is slightly off-center. Even Yahi Hu Main was slightly off-center. But this is, I think this is the first commercial song I've sung. That's what I think. And I think, yeah, Ashiki just adds more zing to it because it comes as, it's not expected to come, you know, after the Mukhra of the songs. Suddenly the Antara of Ashiki comes. So I think which is quite a surprise. And apart from that, it's been directed by legendary Pradeep Sarkar. And this is not the first time he's directing a music video. पहले 90s में जब indie music का दौर था, Euphoria के सारे गाने धूम पिचक धूम मायरी इन्होंने direct किए हैं. I think he started the trend. And I think it was a very organic a collaboration with T-Series and when the singles are again coming back because of T-Series. So yeah.
फीचर बनाने का इच्छा ना always रहता है तो गाने से शुरू किया था.
All right, thank you so much, Ayushmann. Very well said. Apar Shakti, hi, welcome. This is so nice.
How's it going?
It's fantastic, man. How does, okay, we're going to ask you the question जो मीडिया आपसे बहुत बार पूछने वाली तो एक ही बार में मैं खत्म कर देती हूँ. आपकी स्टार भैया के साथ काम करके आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
You know, of course, I mean, through and through, I mean, through college days, school days, and even now he's guided me through in a lot of, not only music, otherwise also, he started his career with radio. So he's been, you know, giving me all the important things you need to do, not only to become a good radio jockey, but to become a good human being as well, or a good music.
Ayushmann Bhava.
So he's
a spiritual guru here.
A lot of Ayushmann Bhava has been happening at home as well. So yeah, I mean, so it's great to collaborate with somebody, you know, who totally knows you inside out and who has given me complete freedom and space to do something with him.
That's so wonderful. I give you once again, ladies and gentlemen, Ikvari. Give them a huge hand once again, please. I'd like to request our wonderful stars to stay right here because अब मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. Over to the media. All right, guys. now start. Can I also ask Dada to come back right here with us? Thank you, Dada. And we'll do a couple of Q&As. I'm sure you have some questions. Ashiki-led questions or, Georgia-led questions, Aisha-led questions, Ayushman-led questions. All right. If you have a question, you can raise your hand as always. You know this better than me. Tell me. We'll come to you.
I think, of course, that's a legendary pose which started in the 90s. जब आशिकी रिलीज हुई थी, पहली आशिकी, उसका रिलेशन उससे है क्योंकि गाना उस फिल्म का है, पहली आशिकी का है. और आई थिंक एक कनेक्ट पहले से बना हुआ है आशिकी का. और टी सीरीज़ आई थिंक तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था ये ट्रेंड फिल्मों में आने का, एंड उनका कोलैबोरेशन भट्ट साहब के साथ था. एंड दिस वाज दैट फिल्म जहाँ पर गाने पहले बने थे, उसके बाद फिल्म डिसाइड की गई थी. सो आई थिंक म्यूजिक इज़ द एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. And this is the first time I'm doing a rehash of a song, as I said. और of course वो उससे connect करने के लिए वो pose बहुत ज़रूरी था.
Music to khair, of course. I mean, we have collaborated on this, and I'm just gearing up for a film called Dangal on December 23rd. It's an Amir Khan film. So yeah, that's something on acting front. Yeah.
Ayushman,
Absolutely wonderful. It's a better experience ho nahi sakta tha. I've been directed by Pradeep Da in my first video, and Ayushman songs beautifully, and I couldn't have asked for more. Absolutely wonderful experience.
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि प्रदीदा के सेट पे सब बंगाली में बात करते हैं, और जब मैं वहाँ पे आया वो दे वर सरप्राइज टू नो कि मैं बंगाली समझ सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी प्यारी बिंदु में बंगाली प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक बहुत ही अमेजिंग कनेक्शन है बंगालीज़ के साथ मेरा. और आजकल मैं रविंद्र संगीत काफ़ी सुन रहा हूँ, एंड आई लव बंगाली कल्चर. एंड आई थिंक बंगाल, एंटायर बंगाल इज़ फुल ऑफ आर्ट, लिटरेचर एंड म्यूजिक विच इज़ अमेजिंग. ऑल्सो फूड. सो आई थिंक आई एम इन लव विद कैलकाटा एंड बंगाल एंड बंगालीज ऑफ कोर्स. दादा. यार दादा एक्चुअली वो सरप्राइज भी, मैं 22 साल चंडीगढ़ में रहा हूँ, मैं पंजाबी एक्सेंट है मेरा हिंदी में. दम लगा केशव हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश की थी मैंने, खड़ी बोली, लेकिन इसमें बंगाली बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ही वाज, दादा मैं ठीक बोल रहा था वैसे?
अच्छा बोल रहे, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे.
ही वाज लाइक
थोड़ा हो जाए,
थोड़ा इतना नहीं बोल सकता. बंगाली गाना.
Ayushman,
আমার পরানো যা চায় তুমি তাই গো, আমার পরানো যা চায়. Yeah, it's a Ravinder Sangeet. Any Bengalis in the house? No Bengalis.
No, whatever my heart wants, it is you.
Yeah, that's the meaning of the song. Yeah.
Ayushman, this is Ashi from Music India. Hi.
Hi.
और 90s का सॉन्ग काफ़ी हद तक यूज़ किया है इसमें. आपने ये जो वर्ड है एक बारी कॉलेज लाइफ में कभी यूज़ किया है? एक बारी हाँ कह दे किसी के ऊपर आपने
देखो
use
मैं अपनी बीवी के अलावा किसी का नाम ले नहीं सकता यहाँ पे, तो एक क्वेश्चन का पॉइंट बनता नहीं है. अगर कोई और हो भी तो मैं बता नहीं सकता, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? इट वाज माय वाइफ ताहिरा ऑफ कोर्स.
मुझे क्या फील होना है यार?
I think this is the best question of the day. It is. It is.
He is not my
I
husband.
think he
एक
should
burger.
stand here. आयशा तुम्हारी है.
मुझे क्या फील होना है यार? I mean, I don't know how to answer this one.
He wants to know if you're jealous, yeah.
Dude,
अपार शक्ति की इच्छा शक्ति.
अपार शक्ति की बात. I have a very nice, happy love life. So, इच्छा मतलब I don't know man how to answer that one. That's quite a.
ये बहुत खुश है. इच्छाएं इसकी ऑफ कैमरा पूरी होती हैं, ऐसी बात है. I just tried, yeah. In fact, I don't know. Yeah, in school, I was known as a dancer, but I had to choose between dance and music. In school, I chose music, and in college, I had to choose between music and theater. I chose theater. So yeah, I think there was just a bit of it, a 15-seconder. But yeah, I think both are parallel vectors for me, acting and singing. I think Indian industry is about music and dance and all these things, and I think you can't survive without music. And I think if I can lend my own voice to my own character on screen, it's just credible. You can say that, of course. My life is incomplete without music, for sure. That's it, I guess.
I'm also waiting. मैं बोला ना मैं भी वेट कर रहा हूँ आपको कुछ बोले तो बोल दीजिए मुझे
The single. I think it was a year back when I wanted to do a rehash of a T-series song, especially Ashiki. And though I think it was my genre of music was very different, but I think this one, it was very organic flow with Ikvari and when the Antara comes for Ashiki. So I think that's why I chose this particular song, and it's one of my favorite songs from Ashiki album. Yeah, of course. अरे ये कैसा सवाल है? ये गाना ये आशिकी वाला गाना तो पसंद नहीं है क्या? I love this song here. And of course, the original song is on tabla and dholak and peti. Actually, of course, this is a different take on it. So that's why.
Oh, actually, everything on camera is not what it seems. It was the easiest shot of it. I was in a bodysuit, absolutely comfortable, and I think I was in the hands of Dada. It was the easiest shot of the video, I think, Dada.
Hands of Dada, मतलब मैं था नहीं वीडियो में. वो
Absolutely.
दादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
Yeah, everything. I would just say everything is not what it seems. Yeah.
You see
very
I'm not
comfortable.
25 that's the problem Ayushmann I threw him out at that point
No, not really. No.
Not really.
Okay. No, I wasn't. I was in the hands of Dada, so I was quite happy. It was an easy shot of the video.
Those were Dada's hands, not mine.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
पोस्ट में मेरे हाथ डाल दिए थे. जैकेट के अंदर दादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
What do you want to see? I mean, huh. I mean,
वणक्कम.
Dada, it's a compliment, I'd like to believe.
yeah.
Just can't figure the tone. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again. I want to say this before we go. I think that this video begs for a film. All right? And I do hope that happens because seriously, the chemistry between the two of you and also the music, it just looks like there is an untold tale behind all of this. And I wish Ikvari all the best once again. Thank you so much for giving us your time and the music.
Thank
and
you,
of course, over to you guys. Thank you. We're done with our Q&A. We'll do a couple of pictures. And